bit of a different background today, but I am traveling for work and I just need to take you the video because we got some important updates to go and talk about. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. And first thing first, guys, we did talk in the last video that I also started trading on GRBT because just like Hyperliquid, they will have a great airdrop in the future. So make sure to come and trade with me in the link in the description. But as we see now here, I just want to take you through the trades that I did. And I did open an Ethereum long position over here, and it is currently up $50. I did open it at 2,565. I knew it was gonna go up, and now here we have soaring. I have a take profit at 2,810. Even though I do believe now it's a great time, we have these 30-minute charts that is a lot of green. And we all know that it cannot just only go up. At some point, red occurs. Just like here, we had a big spike over with the green candles, and then red, green, and then red. So there's going to be other time to also, once again, step into this trade, in my opinion. But I will go and take this profit right now. So I will close with the market. As we see here, we go and close it, and we go and take our money. We have won this trade. I still have, however, a Solana long position, as we see over here, that I will sell this one. I will already place a limit with you at $200. $200 Solana is when I will go and close this one. I did open it at 179, and as we see here, I'm $7 in profit while it is at 184. So if we do count a little bit of the math, I should be about $35 in profit at $200, and I will go and take profit. This is because I started this account and I started these challenges with you with a bare minimum amount that everybody can potentially participate with, $300. And so I'm doing it. Remember, GRBT, it is also going to have an airdrop, so we're taking profit with trades as well as tokens for the next airdrop. So make sure to not miss it. Next up, we have the SNS airdrop claim is here. So all you gotta do, I will leave the link to the claiming down below. This is the page. Simply go down and check your Solana domain. If you do have a Solana domain or not, as you see here, I do not have any Solana domain, nor I never participate in the Solana domain. So I am not in it, nor I have participated in it. But one thing, guys, come and follow me both on Twitter and on Telegram, because as we see here, I also utilize other exchange to go and short the airdrop that get launched. For example, the SNS airdrop. It was a useless airdrop. SNS didn't need a token. They just want liquidity for the team. They sold, and it went crumbling down. And as we see here, 200% profit, 65% profit, SNS 178% profit on the trade. And I do this because I do like trading as well on other exchanges, and other exchanges allows you the possibility. On GRBT, for example, I do the usual trade, the long trade, the one that I like, Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, and those one. On, for example, as we see over here on MEXS or Wix or ZoomX, depending on which one you like, I will leave the link down below. However, or if you go to MEX, utilize my code over here, simply go and insert my code right here. And I do trade on them. So I do a little bit of things, but I call them on my Twitter and on my Telegram. So come and join. As we see here, profit on profit on profit on profit on profit on profit as well on GRBT. So we are on a roll. Talking about profit, there is another airdrop, which is the COPI money airdrop has started. And as we see over here, the eligible people are the Atom stakers. I am no Atom staker, nor I participate in an Atom ecosystem airdrop, nor in the staking, nor in the nothing. So I will leave you simply the link down below to go and do it. It is super simple. Go to this website over here and start claiming your token. One thing important about Eclipse, which is also an airdrop that is coming, and it is possibly the most talked about airdrop coming in the near future. One thing that we did talk about, and keep this in mind for everybody that makes it to the end of the video, don't just skips and doesn't watch, because then they're like, oh, why do I not make money? Ooh, why do I not make money? Because people simply don't look at the videos when they should. Here we go, the wallet, Backpack Wallet. We utilize Backpack Wallet for Eclipse. Bridging is their, aggregated bridging, which is absolutely fine. We played with the games here. And when it comes to swapping, as we see here, we go Orca and Invariant. We have used both of them. We have provided liquidity on Orca and Invariant as well. And Invariant, I'm very strong believer on Invariant as well. I talk about it a lot. I do like it. I think that they're going to be absolutely phenomenal. Astro and Nova on is also the R1. Summer Protocol Switch Astro, I believe I utilized it, but when it comes to Nova Protocol, I haven't utilized it yet, but here they have officially been tweeted by Eclipse. And one important thing, Invariant also has some new updates in this week's video. And here we go, the upgraded liquidity chart navigator. So liquidity chart is now more intuitive. With one click, you can adjust the range and better analyze incentivized liquidity, which we can go and check together as well what this means and showcase you. Smaller bundle size, optimization never stop. We'll trim the app even further. Faster load time, smoother integration, and that is true. USD price display for position. You can now see USD values for any pair, even without a direct USD quote. Bits Ethereum position now show the value bits in dollar, and the higher maximum concentration, they double the concentration limit, which means everything here is smoother than before. As you can see here, for example, I got two position open. I got the Ethereum and TETH Ethereum, where I am earning the points, which is this one right here. So if we go to the point system, I'm earning the points for one, and I'm also earning the point for the Ethereum and USDC. But of course, with these positions, especially with such tight margin, you need to be there like 24/7 trying to adjust here and there. I did open this, I gotta say, with only $222 that I did put, I believe it was not 222, something like that, on, yeah, 228 on Ethereum USDC. I opened this 5 minutes ago before making this video because I saw that the other one was finished. And I already have 17 cents in transaction fees, so in fees that I can claim. Now, I know this is not, I'm gonna buy a mansion with it, nor I'm gonna buy even breakfast with it, but to just consider for 5 minutes of doing nothing, I put some money that I didn't even touch, nor I didn't even want to touch. To do this is crazy, and Invariant is amazing. So big up to Invariant. They have a point system, so do of that as you wish, but it is one of the protocol that also Eclipse is super hyped about, and they do tweet about it, so props to them. I am going on to the point. I am providing liquidity on Eclipse. I am swapping on Eclipse. I am providing liquidity to Invariant because I do like the protocol. It is also an 18-1 protocol exposure, as we see over here. We have all of these protocol exposures, and yeah, I do like it a lot. Also, coming from the Eclipse Foundation, as we see over here, they did confirm that the checker is expected within 2 weeks. Now, this is a community trusted thing because they potentially have communicated it's either Korean or Chinese. I'm not sure which one it is, but it should arrive within 10 days. The Eclipse Ecosystem Airdrop Checker. This means for everybody that swapped, was a real user, didn't farm the protocol, provided liquidity, all of them things. And one important thing is that, of course, Invariant over here, we can see played a big role. Also Orca, which we did do a little bit, but not so much. I went mostly on Invariant because they have point system. Orca already has a token, so also to, you know, position myself for the future. They have a point system. Orca has a token already, so I wanted to go more into the Invariant situation. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Make sure to come and trade with me over on GRVT. Do not miss this crypto bull run that we are starting. And I will try and take you all of my trades, both on my Twitter and on my Telegram. With that said, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Ciao, guys.